Zenith is a legendary Swiss watchmaker renowned for precision, innovation, and timeless design. From the groundbreaking El Primero chronograph to the bold Pilot and Defy collections, Zenith seamlessly blends heritage with cutting edge technology. Whether it's vintage inspired classics or modern high performance timepieces, each watch reflects the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and excellence. In this video, we'll explore the best Zenith watches, their standout features, and why they continue to captivate watch enthusiasts worldwide. Let's dive in. Number 10, Zenith Defy Revival 3642. The watch is a stunning reissue of the iconic 1970s Defy model, blending vintage charm with modern watchmaking excellence. Its bold, angular stainless steel case and octagonal bezel capture the retro-futuristic design of the original, while the vibrant blue gradient dial adds a contemporary touch. Limited to just 250 pieces, this watch is a true collector's item. Powered by Zenith's high-frequency El Primero 3620 automatic movement, it offers precision, a 60-hour power reserve, and a smooth 36,000 vibrations per hour. The sapphire crystal case back showcases the intricate movement, while the integrated bracelet ensures a seamless, comfortable fit. Water-resistant up to 300 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. The Zenith Defy Revival 3642 is a tribute to the brand's innovative spirit. Number 9, Zenith Defy Zero G. The watch is a masterpiece of horological innovation, showcasing Zenith's expertise in precision engineering. Its standout feature is the revolutionary gravity control module, which ensures exceptional accuracy by counteracting the effects of gravity on the movement. The open-work dial reveals the intricate mechanics, including the iconic El Primero 8812S automatic movement, known for its high-frequency precision and 50-hour power reserve. The titanium case is lightweight and durable, while the bold design features a multi-level architecture that highlights Zenith's avant-garde aesthetic. Water-resistant up to 100 meters, the Defy Zero G combines technical prowess with everyday wearability. The rubber strap adds comfort and a sporty touch, making it perfect for both casual and formal settings. A true testament to Zenith's commitment to pushing boundaries, the Defy Zero G is a watch for those who appreciate cutting-edge technology and bold, futuristic design. It's a statement of innovation and excellence. Number 8, Zenith Master of Chronographs. The watch is a celebration of the brand's legendary El Primero movement, the world's first automatic chronograph caliber. This exquisite timepiece combines classic design with advanced watchmaking, featuring a sleek stainless steel case and a refined dial with subdials for chronograph functions and a date display. The El Primero 3600 automatic movement powers the watch, offering precision, a 60-hour power reserve, and a high-frequency 36,000 vibrations per hour for smooth timekeeping. The sapphire crystal case back reveals the intricate mechanics, showcasing Zenith's craftsmanship. Available in various dial colors and strap options, the Master of Chronographs exudes timeless elegance and versatility. Water-resistant up to 100 meters, it's suitable for both formal occasion and everyday wear. A tribute to Zenith's rich heritage and innovation, the Master of Chronographs is a must-have for watch enthusiasts who appreciate the perfect blend of tradition, performance, and style. Number 7, Zenith Defy Extreme Felipe Pantone Edition. The watch embodies a vibrant and futuristic design language that merges horology with contemporary artistry. Celebrating the collaboration with renowned artist Felipe Pantone, this timepiece is characterized by its dynamic and colorful aesthetic. Powered by the high-performance El Primero 904 automatic movement, known for its precision and reliability, the Defy Extreme Felipe Pantone Edition represents a fusion of avant-garde design and technical excellence, appealing to individuals seeking a cutting-edge limited edition timepiece that blurs the lines between art and horology. Number 6. Zenith Chronomaster Original E-Commerce Edition. The watch is a bold fusion of horology and contemporary art, created in collaboration with renowned artist Philippe Pantone. This avant-garde timepiece features a vibrant, gradient color palette inspired by Pantone's signature style, with a dynamic dial that transitions from ultraviolet to infrared hues. The 45 titanium case is rugged yet lightweight, housing Zenith's high-frequency El Primero 9004 automatic movement, which offers precision, a 50-hour power reserve, and a 1/100th of a second chronograph function. The openwork dial and skeletonized hands reveal the intricate mechanics, while the rubber strap ensures comfort and durability. Limited to just 100 pieces, this watch is a true collector's item. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's as functional as it is artistic. Number 5. Zenith Chronomaster Revival Safari. The watch is a striking take on the legendary El Primero chronograph. This exclusive model features a stainless steel 38 case, maintaining the proportions of the original 1969 R386. The signature tricolor sub-dials blue, grey, and silver are complemented by a bold black dial, adding a modern yet timeless aesthetic. Powered by the high-frequency El Primero 3600 movement, it delivers a 1/10th of a second precision with a 60-hour power reserve. The red chronograph hand enhances its sporty appeal, while the integrated steel bracelet ensures a seamless fit. As an online exclusive, this edition embodies Zenith's dedication to innovation and heritage, making it a must-have for collectors. A fusion of vintage charm and cutting-edge mechanics, the Chronomaster Original E-Commerce Edition is a true statement piece. Number 4. Zenith Chronomaster Revival A384 Shadow. The watch is a bold reimagining of the iconic 1969 R384, now with a stealthy, modern twist. Crafted from microblasted titanium, its 37 case exudes a matte, dark grey finish, giving it a striking yet understated presence. The black dial, paired with white subdials and luminescent hands, enhances readability while staying true to Zenith's vintage chronograph aesthetics. At its heart beats the legendary El Primero 400 automatic movement, delivering high-frequency precision and a 50-hour power reserve. The absence of a date window keeps the dial clean and symmetrical, while the black Cordura Effect rubber strap ensures a comfortable and sporty fit. Number 3. Zenith Chronomaster El Primero Range Rover. The watch is a seamless blend of Swiss precision and British automotive luxury. Designed in collaboration with Land Rover, this timepiece features a 42 made black ceramicized aluminum case, echoing the sleek yet rugged aesthetics of Range Rover vehicles. The grained grey dial, inspired by Range Rover interiors, is paired with black subdials for a sophisticated yet sporty contrast. Beneath the surface, the legendary El Primero 400B automatic movement beats at 36,000 vibrations per hour, ensuring ultra-precise chronograph functionality with a 50-hour power reserve. The perforated black rubber strap provides durability and comfort, making it perfect for both adventure and everyday wear. A tribute to innovation and craftsmanship, the Chronomaster El Primero Range Rover is a timepiece built for those who appreciate performance, heritage, and design. Number 2. Zenith Chronomaster Original Pink. The watch is a stunning blend of heritage and modern elegance. Housed in a 38 stainless steel case, it stays true to the classic proportions of the original 1969 El Primero R386. What sets this edition apart is its striking metallic pink dial, a vibrant yet refined shade that symbolizes strength and hope. The signature tricolor subdials gray, silver, and blue maintain Zenith's iconic design language, while the red central chronograph hand adds a sporty touch. Powered by the El Primero 3600 automatic movement, it offers 1/10th of a second precision and a 60 power reserve. A stainless steel bracelet enhances its versatility, making it perfect for any occasion. With a portion of proceeds supporting breast cancer research, the Chronomaster Original Pink is more than a watch, it's a statement. Number 1. Zenith Pilot Big Date Flyback. The watch is a bold reinterpretation of the brand's aviation heritage, combining functionality with modern sophistication. Encased in a robust 42.5mm stainless steel or black ceramic case, this timepiece is built for adventure. The textured black dial, inspired by aircraft cockpit instruments, ensures optimal legibility, while oversized luminescent Arabic numerals enhance visibility in any condition. Its standout features include a big date display with an instant change mechanism and a flyback chronograph, allowing for quick reset and restart. At its core, the El Primero 3652 high-frequency automatic movement delivers unmatched precision and a 60 power reserve. A rugged Cordura Effect rubber strap completes its sporty yet refined look. Designed for modern explorers,